This is a legal analysis of a Florida Bodycam incident from February 26, 2025, focused not on the drama, but on the law that governs it. Start with the seizure. The Fourth Amendment permits an arrest only on probable cause. Here, a named citizen complaint of property destruction, corroborated by witnesses, and the officer's own observations, satisfies that standard. The underlying offense is criminal to mischief under Florida Statute Section 806.3, the willful and malicious destruction of another's property.
A what?
A 15-minute-old event with
involving
yeah. I'm up cleaning the windows and I hear this screaming and yelling and then cursing. It's like, that's her, because I'd seen her walk out.
Yeah.
So he's walking up.
Hi. Yeah.
She's ripping out like all plants and stuff and all of the Kalusha.
Is she still there, or?
No, she just confronted like my next door neighbor and was yelling and saying that
Same
the
thing.
landscapers were
Screaming at the dog,
poisoning.
walk your dog.
Okay.
And then she, just so you guys know, she has like a very active Facebook. And when you were here, you weren't here this morning. Were you here?
Yes.
She was Facebook like, did you guys see it?
No, I didn't see it.
But she was recording.
Yeah.
And she put it out on the thing. There's been like a lot of activity. She's getting like confrontational with.
Yes, I know. That's. And I talked to Glass about this today. I was like, she's gonna hurt someone.
Okay.
So she's over there still?
My neighbor
Like how long
just
ago?
passed and he just called.
She's still walking over there?
Olga, what are you doing? Put the shrubbery down. Yes. Olga, what are you doing?
Nothing, I'm just walking around my property. What do you do?
Why are you ripping out shrubs over there?
Because Mexicans ruined landscape around here.
Okay. You know you can't be doing that, right?
What are you gonna do? Tease me again?
I'm not teasing you, Olga.
Yes,
I'm
you are.
really
Are you
not.
gonna arrest me and get
No,
me to
I'm
the
not.
hospital where
No,
your
I'm
mother
not.
died?
No,
What are you
I'm
gonna
not.
do?
Olga.
What are you gonna do to me?
Olga.
You're
the
gonna
shrubbery.
get me psychiatric hospital
Olga.
again?
Olga, I just spoke to Jordan.
And?
Okay.
What Jordan
I
has
told-
to do with it?
I
Who is Jordan?
Your
Are you
husband.
recording?
Of course I am.
I don't see it. Let's start.
It is Olga.
Who is Jordan?
Jordan's your husband.
Donna called you?
No, Jordan.
Who called you?
The HOA
who
saw
called-
you ripping out shrubs.
I'm not ripping, I'm clipping. This is a difference. What's
Okay.
your name?
Officer
What
Barker.
is your name?
Officer Barker.
Barker. There is a difference between ripping and clipping. Do you know what is the difference between ripping and clipping?
Why are you taking those off? Why are you clipping those?
Do you know
Olga, why are you clipping
Officer
those?
Kalanaha?
Callahan? This is Callahan, yes.
Officer Callahan. So what is your name? Are you wearing somebody else's uniform?
No. My new name is Officer Barker.
Or your new name is Callahan or your new name is Barker?
My new name is Barker.
Barker slash Callahan. Are you divorced?
No, I just got married.
You just got married?
Yes.
There is a difference between clipping and ripping. What is
Okay.
the difference in English
How'd you
language
clip those?
between
Yeah, how
ripping
did
and
you clip
clipping?
those?
With my teeth, Officer Callahan.
So
What are you
find
doing
out with
here?
HOA if that's supposed to be there and if she's ruining
Do you
stuff?
know
I'm
that
gonna-
is a
we're gonna-
common
I think we
property
should
that I
handcuff her
pay
'cause she's gonna
taxes
lose her mind in
for?
a second.
Officer Callahan, can you listen to me?
Okay.
Do you know that this is a common property that I pay taxes for?
Okay.
Officer Callahan,
Okay.
just follow my eyes, please. Do you know this is a common property?
Here, Olga, hold on.
Stay away from me.
Relax. Go.
Can I just
Relax.
hold you for a second?
Drop
Okay.
it. Drop it. Let go. Let go of it. Let go of it. Drop it.
Let go.
Let go of it.
Your mother is dead. So is you, Officer Callahan.
Are you threatening me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I
Great.
am.
Thank you.
Why are you putting handcuffs on me?
Hey, don't do that. Don't do
Why are you putting handcuffs on me? Stop. Why you beat up? If you bite me,
doing? Why are you doing that?
Rape me now.
Why are you trying to bite her?
I'm resisting arrest.
Okay, don't do that.
I'm resisting fucking arrest. I'm breaking my arm.
If you don't stop, I will dry stun you.
Okay.
You understand?
Give me your other arm. Put your arm behind your back.
Now, do exactly what was said.
What's your name?
My name is Officer Washington.
Okay, Officer Washington. Welcome to the party.
Relax. Just relax. You need to relax.
Okay.
Hold on, let's just pat her. Let's pat her up because she
just
usually has.
sit her on her butt. There you go.
She usually has stuff on her.
This is mine.
It doesn't matter. Let go of it. It doesn't matter. Let go of it and stop grabbing me.
Hey,
This is my bag.
It's going with you.
It's
going
my
with
fucking bag.
Listen.
You're gonna tease me because I want my bag?
No.
This is my bag.
You are
Don't
currently
touch
under
my
arrest.
bag.
Listen,
For what?
you are currently under arrest.
For what?
And you need to just
Read
come
my
forward.
Miranda rights, bitch. Sure. Read my Miranda rights, bitch.
If you fight one of us, I.
Read my rights.
Listen.
Read my rights.
Listen, I'm required to warn you before you make any statement that you have the following constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. The statement you must make, it must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence of a representative, a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement or doing any questions. If you cannot afford an attorney, you are entitled to the presence and representation of an attorney of your choice before you make any statements during any kind of questions. If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. I cannot make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Any statement can and will be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand your constitutional rights?
Yes.
Okay. Please, I don't want you to hurt your mouth.
Okay.
Once lawfully detained, the subject had no legal right to resist. Florida Statute Section 77651 is explicit. A person may not use force to resist arrest by someone known to be an officer, even if that arrest were later ruled unlawful. The only exception is defense against an officer's excessive force, which this footage does not show. First, her resistance, therefore, carries independent criminal weight. Nonviolent obstruction falls under Section 843.02, a first-degree misdemeanor. Active physical resistance, pulling away, attempting to bite, elevates this to resisting with violence under Section 843.01, a third-degree felony. Most serious exposure comes from the injury. Under Section 78407, battery on a law enforcement officer is reclassified from a misdemeanor to a third-degree felony. When that battery is committed with a deadly weapon, it becomes aggravated battery, and against an officer, a first-degree felony carrying a 5-year mandatory minimum sentence. Garden shears used to cut an officer's leg can satisfy the deadly weapon element. Earlier statement, an explicit threat of death while holding those shears, separately supports an assault analysis under Sections 784.0111 and 784.021 because a threat paired with the apparent present ability to carry it out is the legal definition of assault.
This is going with me, right?
Yes, it is. Everything is going with you. This is your property.
Where we're going, to the psychiatric hospital or to the police station? Where are we going, to the police station or to psychiatric hospital? Whom you just wrote the rights?
I
Whom
need to
you
ask
read
if
the
they
rights?
want to
Do you
prosecute
want
for
to go
this.
to the psychiatric?
I want to go to the police station directly.
We can go there.
Okay, let's go there. For what? For what I'm arrested for?
They will let you know what you're arrested
Okay.
for because I came afterwards.
Okay, great.
I'm trying to calm down the situation.
Okay. With the what? The teaser? Electronic device you're wearing? Where we're going?
I just told you.
Miss
We're going to
Washington.
we're going to the police station.
You racist?
Are
I'm
you?
white. Are
I'm
you
white.
racist? And you were about to use the teaser on a white woman. You Nazi.
Oh, I'm a Nazi.
Yes.
Okay, well, how
You
about
were
this?
about
I
to
want
use
you
a
to get
teaser
on your
on a
feet.
white woman.
Get on your feet.
Maybe on my knees?
I said
Maybe
on your
I
feet.
should suck your dick.
Oh, I don't have
Do
one.
you have? You have a dick, right?
Hey, stop.
Stop that.
Oh, you're hurting me. Let's go.
Let's go. My bags. Let's go. Walk right now. Let's go. Enough is enough.
My bags.
Enough is enough. I try really hard to be reasonable.
I try very hard to set your dick off your side.
All right, let's
Get
go.
inside the car.
Go, go, go.
Hold on, let me take this out. Why? Because I said so, that's why.
Oh, really? You
Listen,
bitch up. Leave me fucking alone.
the hair clip is not going with
dead.
Olga.
You're dead.
Stop.
Your mother is dead. You're
All right, let's
dead.
go.
Put your feet
Great.
in.
Where you taking me? To psychiatric hospital?
Yes, let's fucking, let's go.
Fucking nuts, bitch. Take my stuff.
I literally, I think I got stabbed by either the handcuffs or...
Can you lift your pant leg up?
I don't know if that's hers or mine.
What?
Yeah. Well, no, because I have a hole in my pants, too.
First level 6-3.
Oh yeah, you're getting stitches there.
61 signal 68. It's going to be for Gardens Bravo 33, but they're going to be tied up. The phone wants advice.
Jesus Christ, get off the radio.
That's what stabbed me.
Is that what stabbed you?
Yeah.
He believes he's harassed. He wants some bulletin on that. 45 only.
Gardens, can we get Rusty started this way, please? We have a laceration to an officer leg.
Second time today.
Yeah. Yeah, she
Threatened our guys this morning.
51 also.
she cut one of the officers in the leg. She's got a pretty big cut with the shears that she was cutting.
Now, the officers' conduct, their use of force is measured against Graham versus Connor, which requires reasonableness judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not through hindsight. Facing an armed, resisting subject who attempted to bite, empty hand control was plainly reasonable. What stands out is the restraint. Officers warned of a dry stun, but never deployed the taser. That is force held below what the law would have permitted. On the rights advisement, the subject demanded her Miranda rights, and an officer delivered a complete one. Miranda versus Arizona requires that warning only before custodial interrogation, not at the moment of arrest. Providing it here was correct, arguably more than the moment required. Finally, the disposition. The subject's references to prior psychiatric care and her disordered conduct implicate Florida's Baker Act, Section 394 for 463, which permits an involuntary mental health examination when illness makes a person a danger to others. Critically, Florida law does not force a choice. A subject may be arrested and referred for examination, with competency addressed later. The two tracks coexist.
Hey, Donna. Hey, the cops want to see Donna come over here and the police officers to talk about prosecution.
I had to deal with her all day today.
Yeah.
Dude, I got shit to do.
Yeah,
We're on,
no shit.
we're on Fabric. We're on Fabric Day, basically. Yeah, we're on Fabric Day.
Yeah.
All right. No, no, no.
And who you were with? What company?
Impact.
Impact. Oh, so it's all the
Yeah,
same thing?
yes, sir, yeah.
Okay. Can affirm that everything you're about to tell me is the truth to your best of knowledge? Okay, so what did you see?
I just saw her tearing out the plants. There's a photo of her. She was ripping out that's the trellis that the plant's attached to. You see her that she just...
Okay, she took that with her?
She was carrying it over to here.
And you guys haven't found it over here?
Oh, it's right
Oh,
there.
it's right there. I see it.
And I saw her carrying the plant this way.
Okay. You see her do anything?
No, I just got the, in the photos and whatnot, seen that. But like I said earlier today, I was dealing with her. Yeah.
Okay. So as soon as they get here, we'll find out everything out. And at what time was she pulling and cutting all that stuff out?
10 minutes ago.
About 10 minutes ago. All right, when we got the call, I'm assuming. All right, perfect. All right, you guys gonna be in the area?
Yeah.
All right, awesome. Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
On the grades, both officers earn an A-. Sustained de-escalation, correct procedure, and notable restraint, with the sole deduction being the failure to secure the shears earlier, gap that produced the injury. The subject earns an F on conduct, criminal mischief resisting with violence, and aggravated battery on an officer, though apparent mental illness is significant mitigation that should shape charging and competency review, not serve as legal justification. The department receives an incomplete, No policy or outcome records were available. The lessons are three. First, control edge tools early. Distance and disarmament prevent injuries before force is ever needed. Second, restraint is not weakness. Declining the taser here was both lawful and wise. Third, criminal enforcement and mental health response are not mutually exclusive. The strongest outcomes come from officers trained to pursue both at once. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.